Hello guys, I hope everyone will be fine and okay. So this is Wahidullah Sohrabi and today I will talk about how to reset a forgotten BIOS password. But before that we will talk about this subject, first let's give you some information about what is BIOS. Inside the board of a computer or in the motherboard of a computer there is a chip called ROM, read-only memory. Inside this chip there is a software called BIOS, basic input output system. BIOS is the first software that will be running a computer. When you hit or press the power button, the first software that is going to be run is called BIOS. It does four main basic functions that I will explain to you. The first function of BIOS is called post. What does post do? Post in fact checks the computer hardware and it will make sure that there is no hardware error before loading the operating system. The second function of BIOS is called boot strip loader. What does boot strip loader do? Boot strip loader in fact runs or locates the OS or operating system of a computer. The third function of BIOS is called BIOS drivers. What does BIOS drivers do? BIOS drivers will prepare some basic drivers for some of your computer devices like HDD or hard disk drivers, optical drivers or CD-ROM drivers and video card drivers. The fourth function of BIOS is called BIOS setup or CMO setup. You can do all other configuration in this mode, like you can change the boot order, you can change date and time, you can set system password and many more. How to enter to BIOS setup or CMO setup? Guys, when you turn on the computer, just press or hit the F2 button or F12 button. In some computers it may be a little bit different. Just you can access the CMO setup and you can do all the other configuration in here. One thing more guys that I should not forget, that in new computers beside BIOS there is another option called UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. What is UEFI? UEFI does the same job as the BIOS but with one basic difference. It stores all the information in a file called .EFI file. The .EFI file is stored on a special partition called EFI system partition. If you want to see this partition, just you can go to computer management. There is a special partition called EFI system partition and you can see that. So guys, now if you want to reset your computer BIOS password, just visit bios-pw.org website and put your computer BIOS code there. Where is your computer BIOS code? When you turn on your computer, it will give you a short code. Just copy that code and paste in this website and hit enter. It will give you the new master password for your computer. So guys, let's go and do it practically. So guys, when you turn on your computer, it will ask for your BIOS password. Just copy this code. So guys, this is bios-pw.org website and this is the code that I have shown you before. Just copy this code without the first hash and put it in this website. Then click on get password. Look guys, this is the new password for BIOS of your computer. Now guys, I have the new password. I will put it and see what happens. 5 small b, capital W, capital M, small f, small w, capital D, capital M, small v, capital B, small t, 3, small c, 6, small m. In some computers, just you can press enter, it will work. But in some computers, just hit Ctrl enter, it will work. In this model that I am using, just you can press Ctrl enter. Look guys, it is completely working. So guys, this was a little information about how to reset a forgotten BIOS password. If you want to see my next videos, just visit youtube.com/Wahidullah Sohrabi and youtube.com/itechitexperiences. Also facebook.com/Wahidullah Sohrabi and facebook.com/itechitexperiences. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page. Also hit the bell icon in order to get updates from my new videos. See you for next video.